Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Central Porter County in northwestern Indiana, East Central Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hobart, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Valparaiso and South Haven around 9:05 p.m. This includes Valparaiso University and Porter County Fairgrounds, including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 251 and 255. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National